Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Khrystina, and by the title of this video, you guys know that I am reviewing and doing a makeup look with the new launch from Fenty Beauty, which is Beach Please. Beach Please. Beach Please. Get it? Yeah. Go ahead and get into these Killawatt foils. So I picked up 2 out of the 3. I did not like the purple one for some odd reason. The purple one kind of to me seemed a little ashy. I didn't like it. It wasn't my vibe, and I wasn't gonna pick it up just to review it, just to take it back. No ma'am, especially after I just ripped these boxes apart. They weren't gonna take it back anywhere. So I'm gonna start with the one that everyone's super excited about, which is the Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset, like sunrise sunset. And everyone seeing this one in the Rihanna Vogue makeup tutorial that she did online, and this is what it looks like. Super pretty. It could be like an orange or it could be like a gold. It's just really nice. I already know there are going to be so many like really cute sunset looks online with this palette. Yeah, so gorgeous. And that is what the pink swatches are like. And then also, like I told you guys, I'll put it on my cheeks today. I just went crazy and was like, you know what, I'm gonna put it on my cheeks too, why not? But that is what that looks like. And then you can also build this orange up and it'll be like really orange, or you can do it subtle and then it can be like a really nice night, like kind of goldy. You can build that pink up and it can be like a wham bam, thank you ma'am, in your face, which was the one I was most excited about, which is what I'm wearing on my eyes today, what I did for my makeup tutorial. And that is the Sandcastle in the Mint Mojito. I think this one is so pretty, you guys, super pretty. That is the Sandcastle right there. And it's really pretty. I thought it was gonna have a little bit more brown pigment to it, but it's really nice, very nice highlight. I'm wearing it as my highlight today. I'm wearing it on my eyelids and up under my eyes. It's super pretty. Showstopper is this minted mojito one. Super cute. It can be a blinding highlight or it can be a blinding eye look, as you guys can see. And that is, wait, where is it? Where is it? I can't find it no more. That is it right there. Super cute. And then the swatches for the glosses, I did a try on swatch. So I swatched all of them on my lips, as you guys will see now. Alright, so we picked up both of these bad boys right here. We have the Summer Nights and the Summer Daze. I'm gonna do the Summer Daze first. So this is the one that comes with the teal, the orangey pinky one, and the purple one. All of these colors were so pretty. I wasn't even planning on getting both of them while I was in the store, but I did. This is like an orangey pinky shimmery gloss. This is like a neutral, nice little, not too much. Do what Rihanna did in the video. That's a lot of gloss though. Next, let's go into Single, which is the teal blue color, I think. Is that the teal blue one? Yeah, this one's the teal blue one. I do like Rihanna did. A lot of gloss. This is pretty. I didn't think I was gonna like this on me. This is pretty. We have Ready to Mingle, which is this beautiful purple. I was like, oh my god, I have that. This purple, so cute. So cute. My boyfriend's not gonna kiss me all summer long while I wear these glosses. I don't want that on my lips. That's the first 3. Let's go into the next set, which is Summer Nights. What I do with that knife? I should really keep better track of that. Okay, and this is like a rose gold pinky type color, so it's like pink and honestly, if you didn't have to buy them in sets, I would say that you would need, that you would not need, where's the other one at? You would need both of these because they both kind of give off that same vibe color. Like, I feel like this one's not more pink than the other one, but when I edit it, I'll actually see. But right now I'm looking at it, it looks like they're about the same. The glitter flakes in this one, I can tell you guys though right now, I feel the glitter in this one way more than the first one. And I do not like that, I can tell you that right now. Oh, I don't like this one. Oh, I don't like the way it feels with my lips at all. I'm ready to take it off. I don't know if it's because I've already had 3 of these on. But that one felt super different. The glitter in that one just felt so much bigger and chunkier. Nasty. I did not like that on my lips one bit. Okay. Mermaid tail, or mermaid thighs, I'm sorry, mermaid thighs. And it's like a dark purple, blue, teal. Super cute. Yeah, I don't know what it is about that that first one I had on, but the glitter in that one was just so chunky, it was nasty feeling. Last gloss is called Snakeskin, and when I seen this color, I thought that it looked very much like MAC's Blue Brown Pigment, which when I like was coming up with this look, I was like, oh yeah, I'm wearing that gloss today. Yeah, this definitely reminds me of like a lip gloss version of MAC's Blue Brown Pigment, which I'm not. Alright you guys, so that is the review. If you guys are interested to see how I got this look using all the new products, then go ahead and stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video. Yeah, so we are looking a little rough right now, but that is okay. We're gonna look bomb in like 45 minutes. So I figured since Rihanna dropped her summer line today, since she dropped it today, I figured we will do 97.5% everything Fenty today. So I'm going to use the foundation, the highlighter, concealer, and the new Killawatt eyeshadows, palettes, whatever they're being called. That's not Fenty. And lip glosses. Go ahead and breeze through my foundation routine and stuff like that really quickly, just because I know we've seen it, we've done it already. I'll link my Fenty foundation review here. I have it in the color 340, which actually it might be a little light for me right now because I was just in Florida earlier this month, so it might be slightly darker. Go ahead and use my Fenty sponge. Go ahead and blend it. And highlight with the MAC Stix. I have it in the color caramel.
done, that'll work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you.
Match stick and
You at twin, I would still choose you. I don't want to rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done if you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight.
So Rihanna doesn't have any brow products yet. Eyebrows. So I know everyone is super excited about the sun. What is this? The Mimosa Sunset and the Sangria. No, it's Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. Ever since Rihanna did that Fenty Vogue makeup tutorial thing with him. And it's cute. I'm excited about it too. But the one that I was the most excited about it when I seen it on the Fenty Beauty Instagram page was the Sandcastle and Mint Mojito. I'm sorry if when I edit this you can hear this woman talking in the background, but yeah. Packaging is super pretty. I hate when packaging is pretty and I'm just like, oh, I don't want to ruin it, and then it's like hard to open and then you have to end up ripping it, because that's about where I'm about to be right now, because I'm about to rip this. Okay, I ripped it. There's no other way of getting it out. Then just want to vacuum. This one today for my eye look, I feel like this one is super pretty. This one is my favorite, so I'm going to use this one on my eyes today. Please ignore the vacuuming in the background. Everyone wants to work against me today. So I am going to go in Sandcastle, which is the brown one here. And I'm going to sweep that all over my lid. To prime my lid, I use the same concealer that I used on my face. Ooh, wow, that was a lot, okay. That was a lot, wow. Okay. We're gonna be super glittery today. Super shiny. Oh, this would be such a nice, I'm gonna wear this as a highlight too. I'm gonna just go ahead and sweep this all over my eyelid. Like such. Ooh-wee. That was a lot, okay. Super shimmery right now. I'm gonna flick it outwards a little bit, like that. I'm gonna kind of drag up under my eyes a little bit too. We're gonna be glittery today. I don't even know if this is getting any payoff on the camera or not. Yeah, it's getting payoff. This is super shimmery. The same thing underneath my eyes. I'm going to take mint, what is this called again? Mint Mojito. And I'm going to take a flat top brush, like that. And I just want to see what it looks like before I spray it with any pigment. And I'm putting that in my inner tear duct. And I'm going to sweep it onto my lid, but I don't want it to take over the lid. I just want it to sit there a little bit. Doesn't really need to be Fix Plus, but I'm going to put it on my brush and Fix Plus it just to see what it will look like on the other side. Oh yeah. Fix Plus and it just makes it even more pigmented. So I'm going to add, I'm gonna go into my Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I had a feeling I was gonna have to do this. I'm gonna take the color Sienna and I'm gonna just put this onto my outer lid just a little bit to give it just a little bit more color other than shimmer, just to even it out a little bit. Like that, like that, like that. Put a little bit under my eye as well. That's gonna be it that I'm gonna do with the eyes. I'm gonna just go ahead and line my eyes, put some mascara on and my eyelashes, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight now. I'm gonna highlight with the same thing that I've already been using, but I'm gonna use the Sand Castle. And I'm gonna take it on a big brush, just hit my cheeks with it, and that is a glow. Hit the top of my nose with it, yes. I'm feeling super cute right now. I'm gonna hit my Cupid's bow. Even though I'm gonna be wearing a shimmery gloss, so that's uncalled for, but whatever. And actually, I wasn't planning on doing this, but let's just go ahead and do it. Why not? I am going to go into the Sunrise Sunset palette. I'm gonna rip this one again. I am going to use the Sangria Sunset as a blush. I'm not a big blush girl, but I decided that, you know what? I just decided just now. Why not? I'm gonna go in with this brush. Ooh, it's a lot of glitter in this. Ooh, I'm gonna regret this. Okay. I'm gonna tap it off a little bit and put it on my cheeks. Ooh, that's a lot. Ooh, that's a lot. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay, calm down. Calm down. Rihanna said more is more, so we're going for more.
More is more.
I'm feeling cute. Am I looking cute? What y'all think? This isn't the hairstyle I wanted for today, but it's the hairstyle I got. And this is snake skin.
Slow the motion. Don't get out of way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you.
But that is it. That is my Fenty face. You guys enjoyed this look, but until next time, I'll see you guys later. If you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button of this video, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.